Dr. Vegupta from Apollo on 15 September 2025. We have a team staff and we are going to show you a very quick angioplasty of circumflex artery. The patient had inferior wall myocardial infarction. Patient को inferior wall myocardial infarction हुआ था, हार्ट अटैक हुआ था. उसमें हमने राइट कोरोनरी आर्टरी की एंजियोप्लास्टी पहले करी थी. आज हमने चेक एंजियोग्राफी करी. We had done a right coronary angioplasty with 2 stents earlier. Now we have done a check angiography and with a plan to do angioplasty of left circumflex artery. We have done a teaching video. I want to show you quickly that how we have done from the radial route, and this is the radial route we have done with the help of a radial artery. Patient is absolutely fine. I want to show you the steps. Angioplasty is a technique where you can sometimes staging is required when you have inferior wall heart attack, and then it's better to do staging. And I want to show you the shots. इसे कह दो बाहर रुक जरा, रुक ले. Just stop it. इससे कहो recording चल रही है. So I will show you the angiographic views taken now. This is the stenosis of the left circumflex artery in the reverse direction. This is the planning for the angioplasty. But before that, we wanted to check the right coronary artery. The stent was done earlier. Stent is perfectly fine. This was done 2 weeks back. 2 हफ्ते पहले हुआ था. इसके बाद हमने ये करने के बाद we have done with the guiding catheter. This is the stenosis. About 95%. You can see the stenosis of left circumflex artery. It is reverse. Guide wire is there now. तो guide wire के बाद रुको sister. Guide wire के बाद हमने pre-dilatation किया with the help of balloon. This is first balloon. This is second balloon inflation. This is second balloon inflation, and then the stent will come. You can see the stent is coming. Now stent is coming. This is stent coming. You can see the stent which is coming, and then the stent will be deployed right at the place of the blockage. The stent को deploy करेंगे जहाँ blockage था, और वहाँ पे करने के बाद you can see the final result. The final result is perfectly all right. This is the final result. This is the final result. Absolutely fine. There is absolutely no blockage. You can see there is no blockage. Very good result. As this is the before. Before you can see there is a major blockage. This is a major blockage, and after there is absolutely no blockage. So this is angioplasty. The beauty of this angioplasty is that you can do without opening the chest, without opening the patient is fully conscious. Patient ने भी अपनी हनुमान चालीसा भी गाई. Dr. Vegupta from Apollo along with Dr. Chaitanya Gupta, and he has learned a lot. Just speak something.
I've seen the angioplasty today and I've learned a lot about the procedure. It was very informative and very clearly all the steps were explained.
Thank you, Dr. Vegupta from Apollo along with the team of Apollo Hospital, 15 September 2025. 15 September 2025. Bye-bye.